Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to have two accounts on Brawl Stars. Now, for whatever reasons you want to have two accounts here on Brawl Stars, it's actually going to be very simple. First things first, we're going to tap this three vertical lines on the upper right, and then we're going to open the settings. After opening the settings, we're going to go ahead and look for the Supercell ID, which is found down here below. As you can see, it's blue, meaning it is not yet being linked. So we're going to have to link this one. I'm going to tap on it, and as you can see, we are in here. Now we're just going to go ahead and click next on everything, and then we're going to go ahead and click get started. So it says here Supercell ID and then already registered. In my case, not yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click register now. Click continue, and then from here we're going to go ahead and type an email. So I'm just going to use this one right here. All right, and it says here down below, Supercell can send me news and updates related to services. I'm just going to disable that one, and then I'm going to click register right away. So from this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and verify this one through my Gmail. All right, so the Supercell that I have received is this one right here. I'm just going to type it real quick and then click submit. Alright, after doing all the steps, you can see that Supercell ID has been successfully linked. Now we're going to go ahead and log this out. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and click this one right here. And then we're going to look for the Supercell ID down below. And then we're going to go ahead and click the gear icon, this one right here. After doing so, we're going to scroll down and you should be able to see here log out button. Go ahead and click that one. Alright, and then this time we're going to go ahead and proceed again, but this time instead of logging in, we're going to play without Supercell ID. Alright, and this one, it is going to ask you to load that previous game. Basically, we're just going to cancel this one, and then we're going to go ahead and try to proceed. So yeah, just go ahead and try to finish this tutorial. It's going to be very quick. Alright, once you have completed the training, you should be redirected here, and then you're going to go ahead and create your own alias. In my case, it's this one here, Brawl Star. I'm just going to check if it's available. Okay, seems like it is. And then we're going to go ahead and set our age, just like so. And then we're going to play this Soul Survivor first in order for us to proceed. So I'm just going to finish this one real quick. Alright, so seems like we are done with the training. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this one here, the three vertical lines, and then we're going to go ahead and click the settings. Yes, still the same process. We're going to go ahead and click the Supercell ID down below, and then we're going to go ahead and register a Supercell ID. Click continue, and then go ahead and type the email that you want to use here. For example, this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click the register, just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and wait for the code to be sent to me, and then I'm going to hit continue. Click OK. Alright, and then if I were to continue this one, alright, just do the same process here. You should be able to see here all of the accounts that you have if you click switch account. So there you go. You can see that I have two accounts right now, and congratulations everybody. That is how you are going to get this done.